We got sent this super fun foil craft and foil artwork notebook. It comes with everything you need, crayons to be able to color the color pages, and then the foil to do foil art on the foil art pages. So it is a lot of fun. My kiddos have spent hours doing the different pages, coloring. They can bounce back and forth, and they've loved it. So it comes with a bamboo stick that you are able to trace around the perimeter of the sticker. So you remove the sticker cover and then you put the foil down that you're wanting, trace it with the bamboo stick, press it in the area of it, the middle of it, and then you just peel the foil sheet off and it will stick to the sticker portion on the page. It is so much fun. My kids absolutely love it. They have been sharing it, and whenever it's sitting and not being used, a kid walks by and sees it and sits down and starts doing another page in it. So it is so much fun. Here is some of the pages that they have done. And this would be an incredible gift as well for nephews, nieces. They have some other options for booklets as well that girls can do. This would be great for grandkids, your own kids, because it gets them doing creative art and using their imagination and creating something that they are really proud of and they love. So we definitely recommend it. It has been so much fun.